What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about how to clean your garbage disposal. So I was doing the dishes and it freaking stunk horribly. So I had a brilliant idea of just kind of all the things that smell great to me. I'm going to throw it in my disposal. I'm going to hit the roly thingies and we're going to see if it smells better. Let's go. We're going to go ahead and remove the stopper, and then we're gonna dump some baking soda in there. I'm gonna just do a nice little coat, just probably like half a cup. Put that in there, and then of course we are going to add some distilled vinegar. Let's go ahead and throw that in there. Let's just put like, you don't want too much because you actually want the baking soda. You don't want it to just rinse down. So we're going to go ahead and throw a little bit more in there. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and throw the orange pills. And then we are going to throw a orange, and then we are going to throw in, so we got Molina Mexican Vanilla Blend, the finest pure vanilla Mexico has to offer. We're gonna go ahead and throw some of that in there, get some vanilla going. Then of course we're gonna go ahead and throw some cinnamon in there, give it a nice little kick. And of course, I think we're going to add just a little bit more of that. Just get that all in there really good. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and just dump that in there like that. This down there like that. And we're going to turn on the water here. And then we're going to clear it out. And that right there is how you clean out your disposal. You're going to go ahead and rinse one more time. I'm going to put the stopper back in. Grind one more time. And that absolutely smells 100 times better. If you guys like the videos, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me to grow and be able to make more content.